Hey everyone, it's Liz from Driver's Ed Direct. This is your Bedtime Study Buddy, a quick permit test review you can do before you go to sleep. I will show you the question, I'll give you a few seconds to think, and then I'll reveal the answer. No pressure, no long lecture, just a simple review to help things stick. All right, let's go ahead and do it. What is the difference between traffic lights with red arrows and those with solid red lights? A, red arrows are only used to stop traffic which is turning left. B, you cannot turn on a red arrow even if you stop first. Or C, red arrows are only used for protected turn lanes. Correct answer is B, you cannot turn on a red arrow even if you stop first. You can make a right turn against a solid red light after you stop. Parking is never permitted: A, 20 feet from a railroad track, B, in a crosshatch diagonal pattern space, or C, on or in a bicycle lane unless otherwise posted. The correct answer is B, in a crosshatch diagonal pattern space. It is unlawful for any person to park next to a parking space designated for. You want to pass a bicyclist riding on the right edge of your lane. You, A, must not squeeze past the bicyclist, B, may not pass the bicyclist for any reason, or C, must honk your horn before passing the bicyclist. The correct answer is A, must not squeeze past the bicyclist. Be patient when passing a bicyclist. Where should you stop your vehicle if there is no crosswalk or limit line? A, just past the corner, B, at the corner, or C, 20 feet before the corner. Correct answer is B, at the corner. Whenever you see a stop sign, stop before and after passing a car. It is safe to return to your driving lane when A, the driver you just passed signals you to return to your lane, B, you signal for 3 seconds your intention to return to your lane, or C, you see the headlights of the passed car in your rearview mirror. The correct answer is C, you see the headlights of the passed car in your rearview mirror. Before you return to your driving lane after passing another vehicle, a white painted curb means A, loading zone for freighter passengers, B, loading zone for passengers or mail only, or C, loading zone for freight only. Correct answer is B, loading zone for passengers or mail only. Painted colored curbs have special parking rules. You see a pedestrian with a white cane at the corner ready to cross the street. The person takes a step back and pulls in his cane. You should A, stop your car a minimum of 6 feet from the crosswalk and wait for the person to cross the street. B, stop, proceed through the intersection, the person isn't ready to cross. Or C, honk your horn to let the person know when to cross the street. The correct answer for this one is B, stop, proceed through the intersection, the person isn't ready to cross. Don't wait too long for a blind pedestrian to cross the street. Other drivers are not making room for you to merge onto a freeway with heavy traffic. If necessary, you may A, drive on the freeway shoulder until a gap appears, B, stop before merging with freeway traffic, or C, make room by forcing your way into a small gap. The correct answer is B, stop before merging with freeway traffic. Enter the freeway at or near the speed of traffic, but be prepared to yield. Which of these is a legal U-turn? A, 150 feet away from a hill or curve. B, on a highway where there is an opening for a turn. Or C, over 2 sets of double yellow lines in the roadway. The correct answer is B, on a highway where there is an opening for a turn. You can make a legal U-turn, 1, across a double yellow line. Even if you know your vehicle can maneuver a sharp curve at the legal speed limit, you should still slow down because A, there may be a stalled car or a collision ahead that you cannot see, B, you may legally drive below the speed limit on sharp curves, or C, the strong inward pull on your vehicle can be dangerous. correct answer is A, there may be a stalled car or collision ahead that you cannot see. You never know what is on the other side of a steep hill or a sharp curve. If there are two solid lines in the center of the roadway, you A, may cross the lines to turn left into a private driveway, B, on a two-lane one-way street, or C, should treat the lines as a solid wall and not cross for any reason. The correct answer is A, may cross the lines to turn left into a private driveway. Two solid yellow lines means no passing. Never drive to the left of these lines unless if you are caught driving with a blood alcohol concentration, or BAC, at or above the legal limit, A, you may be fined by the court, B, your breath test result by itself cannot be used to convict you, or C, your driver license will automatically be revoked. The correct answer is A, you may be fined by the court. The court can punish you for driving with a BAC above the legal limit. The court's action may involve at an uncontrolled intersection where you cannot see cross traffic until you are just about to enter the intersection. The speed limit is A, 15 miles per hour, B, 25 miles per hour, or C, 20 miles per hour. Correct answer is A, 15 miles per hour. The speed limit for a blind intersection is 15 miles per hour. An intersection is considered blind on freezing wet days. Which of the following roadways is most likely to hide spots of ice? A, roadways near the tops of hills, B, roadways on bridges and overpasses, or C, roadways paved with asphalt. Correct answer is B, roadways on bridges and overpasses. Some road surfaces are more slippery than others when wet and freezing. When is it legal to use a cell phone without a hands-free device while driving? A, when making a call while stopped at a red light, B, never, or C, when making a call for emergency assistance. The correct answer is C, when making a call for emergency assistance. With certain exceptions, you cannot use a cell phone while driving unless if you are involved in a collision, you must exchange with the other persons involved your driver's license information and A, proof of insurance, B, proof of insurance and vehicle registration only, or C, proof of insurance, vehicle registration, and current address. The correct answer is C, proof of insurance, vehicle registration, and current address. If you're involved in an accident, you must stop and show your driver license. You are approaching an uncontrolled intersection. You, A, must always stop before driving through the intersection, B, should slow down and be ready to stop, or C, must yield the right-of-way to all other vehicles. Correct answer is B, should slow down and be ready to stop. At intersections without stop or yield signs, slow down and be ready to stop. If you are towing another vehicle or trailer on a freeway with 4 lanes in your direction, you may travel in A, the far right lane only, B, either of the 2 right lanes, or C, any of the traffic lanes in your direction. Correct answer is B, either of the 2 right lanes. Whenever you tow a vehicle or trailer and no lanes are, you are driving on a one-way street. You may turn left onto another one-way street. A, only if a sign permits the turn. B, if traffic on the street is moving to the right, or C, if traffic on the street is moving to the left. Correct answer is C, if traffic on the street is moving to the left. You may turn left onto a left-moving one-way street if you are driving on a road where the speed limit is 45 miles per hour. All the other vehicles are driving 50 miles per hour or faster. You may legally drive A, 50 mph or faster, B, anywhere between 45 to 50 mph, or C, no faster than 45 mph. The correct answer is C, no faster than 45 mph. Driving faster than the posted speed limit or driving faster than safe for current conditions. Nice job, everybody. That was volume 1 of your Bedtime Study Buddy. If you missed a few questions, that's totally normal. The goal is not to be perfect tonight. The goal is to keep seeing the questions, Keep building confidence and keep getting better. If you want the full explanations, we linked the original videos down below. All right, get some rest, and I will see you next time.